There, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another Digimon video. This is the Nightcore Brawler, and if you didn't see the thumbnail, or, didn't see the title, but I bought two of these BT05 Battle for Omni booster boxes, and I'm going to open them both. So I'm going to put one aside, and open up this one, make it easier, and then, open up the other one. Why not, right? Just, do another Digimon video, but opening up an entire booster box. Yeah. So it's gonna be so cool to open and see what I get from this box. Boxes, I shall say. So, that's the plastic open. So, that open there. So what you get is a little promotional box topper card. So I got Izzy Azumi and Mimi Tachikawa. So I'm going to leave it in the little plastic here. And there is 24 packs in this box. So let's get started, shall we? So starting off with the first pack. So, yeah. So we got Paljamon, Cutemon, Pillowmon, Geosmon, I think, I'm not sure. I don't entirely know what the most expensive card is in this set, but when I get it, I'll probably look it up. Floramon, Black Mac Galgamon, so that's actually pretty cool. Agumon, Greymon, Yokomon, Transcendent Sword, Metal Greymon Ultra mode, so the rares are a bit different from the older set, so this is an older set. And the next card is a Megidramon, so that's actually pretty all of it. And then we get a little memory checklist that you can that every set before before the newer sets come out had. So yeah, that was about it. Moving on to the next pack. We have Black Growlmon, Sayakomon, Deramon, Dorbikmon, Kotemon, Demonic Disaster, Jokermon, Greymon, Bancho Lilymon, Fake Agumon Expert, all the elite, so that's actually a pretty cool one. So this is the rare. And are you the Omnimon Zwart from the base, from the set that it came from? I got this twice from the Resurgence booster. So this is my third Omnimon Zwart, technically. So that's actually pretty cool. I've got another Omnimon Zwart. But this is the non-textured one. It doesn't have the texture on it. So that's actually pretty cool. Huh. Because this set is actually the one that introduced Omnimon, as it's called Battle for Omni. Alright. I am moving on to the next pack, by the way. So we have Karamon, Sayakomon, Cubimon, Black Growlmon, Triceramon, Demonic Disaster, Piximon, Shooting Starmon, Rosemon, Shademon, ooh, Nokia Shiramine. I got the Resurgence booster set one. That's actually pretty cool. And Sakuyamon. That's actually pretty cool. and the other side of the checklist memories that you can get. So yeah, moving on. Monochromon, Black Galgamon, Marine Devimon, Mechanorimon, I think, I'm not sure, Triceramon, Nightmon, Palmon, Sumamon, Chris Paldramon, so that's like pretty cool, a Blazing Storm of Metal, Omni Shoutmon, that's like pretty cool, and Megidramon, so yeah, and the thing. So yeah. Moving on. I'm sorry if I'm just opening them off screen, like it's actually easier for that to happen. Garbagemon, pretty interesting. Kurisarimon, I think. Coleamon, I think. Kothemon, Troopmon, Rowdy Rocker, Nightmon, Koromon, Buncho Lilymon, I mean. I think I see something in the back there. Absolute Blast, Catastrophic Cannon, the rare, and Omnimon. Oh, that is so cool. And then the thing, yeah. So I essentially got both versions of Omnimon and Omnimon Zwart. So that is actually really cool. And what's cool is that this tamer can actually work with both of these. So that's actually really cool. Put those to the side. We got both versions of Omnimon. I don't know what the alt arts will be in there, so yeah. So Paldramon, Weedmon, Vajramon, whatever, Cubimon, Geosmon or whatever, Royal Nuts, Gladimon, Shooting Starmon, Koromon, Monitamon, Hi Kamiya and Matt Ishida. So that's another card for the Omnimon deck. And Metal Garurumon. That's actually pretty cool. This is a black version of Metal Garurumon, so it's probably for Omnimon Zwart. But that's actually really cool. I'll put that over to the side. Alright, about the next pack. So we have Meramon, Weedmon, Commandramon, yeah, Geosmon, Howlmon, Meteor Shower, Agumon, Gabumon, so that's pretty good, Pikmon, another Monitamon, wait a minute, weird. Where Garurumon Sagittarius mode, so that's pretty cool. And are you kidding me? What? What? I get both Omnimons. This is the what? Oh, that is so cool. I think this is the alternate, like gold alternate, I think. I'm not entirely sure, I'll have to have a look it up. But holy crap, that's so cool. Oh man. That's wow. I never expected to get that. Oh boy. I think maybe after I'm done here and whatnot, I need to find something to put these cards in. Like, what? Anyways, moving on. Command Dramon. I don't know if I can top that card, by the way. Command Dramon. Mori Shelmon. Starmons. Kurisarimon. Howlmon. Owlmon, my bad. Meteor Shower. Ultimate Flare. Shoutmon, the main Digimon for Digimon Fusion. Would love to watch that again. Was awesome. Transcendent Sword. Kiwimon. Weregarurumon Sagittarius Mode. And Rainamon, one of my favourite Digimons. So, yeah. Next pack. Will be Musiamon, and don't remember this one. Triceramon, Floramon, Mechanorimon, Vajramon, Ultimate Flare, Gladimon, Transcendent Sword, Zeeg Greymon, so pretty cool, Blazing Storm and Metal, Waru Monzemon, and Hakumi Aiba. So this is the main protagonist of Digimon Cyber Sleuth, the male protagonist, and I already have this card, but it's a really cool card. I might use it in a deck someday, not entirely sure, but hey, it's cool to get another Takumi. Alright. Vajramon, Dorbikmon, Daramon, Black Galgamon, Marine Devimon, Agumon, Supreme Cannon, Pikmon, Guilmon, Greymon, so yeah, Catastrophic Cannon, the rare, and Metal Garurumon. So this is the base Metal Garurumon. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool to get. Moving on to the next pack. Oh, a lot of rubbish. Oh, excuse. Alright. Starmons, Musiamon, Monochromon, Mori Shelmon, Mechanorimon, Jokermon, I think there's something in the back, Gladimon. You can't actually fly, so it's an interesting card, but there it is. Superstarmon, Digimon, Waru Monzemon, and Takimon. Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. And this, so yeah. So another SR for me, so that's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know what my next ultimate art will be, or the secret rare will be, but it comes with 2 secret rares, so I'm hoping I'll get like one of them at least. So Garbagemon, Geosmon, Starmons, Dorbikmon, Black Growlmon, Black Mac Galgamon, Royal Nuts, Kiwimon, Digimon, Sumemon, War Greymon, and Chaos Gallantmon. That is a pretty cool card, I will not lie. So that's another SR for me, for my Digimon collection. Got one of the cards. Alright. Weedmon, Gaosmon, Kolamon, Black Galgamon, Cutemon, Jokermon, Palmon, Superstarmon, Revive from the Darkness, Zanbamon. Yeah. It's Izzy and Mimi. That's actually pretty cool. And Mega Digimon Fusion. That's a pretty interesting card. I never had that one. Never had this one before. The 0 cost. So there's that. That's actually pretty cool. I'll put this to the side with the others. I will, once I am done with this box, I will just go through the rares of the other box. It'll be easier. So, yeah. Paildramon, Cutemon, Pilomon, Chaosmon, Floramon, Ultimate Flare, Palmon, Shademon, Zeed Greymon, Revive from the Darkness, Sora Hakunochi and Joe Kido, so another tamer, and All Delete. So, yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I think I got another All Delete previously in this opening, so if you want to go find out about that, just scroll back through the video. Right, Commandramon, Sayakamon, Morishamon, Troopmon, Keramon, Supreme Cannon, Garuramon, that's actually something that is needed, Infermon, Koromon, Spiral Masquerade, Diaboromon, ooh, that's actually pretty cool, and another Hi Kamiya and Matt Ishida. That's actually pretty cool. That's my second one of those fellas, but they are well deserved. They are well needed on an Omnimon deck. If I am going to like build one of those, like probably might need more Omnimons. Who knows? Right. Monochromon, Black Galgamon, Marine Devimon, Mechanorimon, Triceramon, Agumon, Piximon, Digimon, Superstarmon, Absolute Blast, Omni Shoutmon, and Black War Growlmon. That's a pretty decent card, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. We have about 8 packs to go on this box. I'll move on to the next one. After clearing up all the mess that I will have made, I'll open up the next box. So yeah. Monochromon, Kotemon, Deramon, Paildramon, Meramon, Gladimon, Rowdy Rocker, Neptunemon. This Digimon is really good in the Digimon games, like it's really good. You can actually fly, Fake Agumon Expert, the Teriamon Assistant, so yeah, and whoa, that is, wow, Armageddonmon, oh, that is sick. That's the other one. This is the other alternate art. Wow. So I'm just gonna put that on the, like, just beside all of them, like, wow. Sure, why not? I believe it's the alternate arts. Those are the alternate arts. I'm not entirely sure. We'll have to have a look. But if they are, yay. I don't even know which one is the most expensive there. But yay. So, Paildramon, Weedmon, Vajramon, Cubimon, Geosmon, Geos, I'm not sure, Royal Nuts, Gladimon, Digimon, Chris Paildramon, Sunomon, another Takumi Aiba, and Rainamon. That's pretty cool. You know what? I'll grab out the other packs just to make it easier. Because I can just use the box to hold all the cards that I have already pulled. So let's get into it. So we have Commandramon, Morishamon, Starmons, Kurisarimon, Howlmon, Rowdy Rocker, Palmon, Fake Algamon Expert, Revive from the Darkness, Neptunemon, Whistling, so that's interesting, and Komon, whatever that name is. But yeah, that's another pack. Remember, there's like 24 packs per box, so yeah. So 24 times 12, how much is that? Vajramon, Dormicmon, Deramon, Black Galgamon, Marine Devimon, Meteor Shower, Garurumon, Shoutmon, Zanbamon, Pikmon, Argomon, so that's pretty cool, and Diaboromon, so another Diaboromon. That's okay. I'm definitely going to need something big for these cards to be put into, because yeah. Starmons, Musayamon, Monochromon, Morishamon, Mechanorimon, Jokermon, Ultimate Flare, Gabumon, You Can't Actually Fly, Inframon, Sora and Joe, and Armageddonmon. So that is the alternate art version, and this is another one of the Armageddonmons that I've got. So that's actually pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. So I've bought like packs of this box before, and I did get an Armageddonmon, but this is like the first time I ever got the Omnimon and the base Omnimon Zoar. Like, it's hilarious. But anyway, Cubimon, Marine Devimon, Pilomon, Kurisarimon, Chaosmon, Agumon, Black Galgamon, Yokomon, Chris Paldramon, Shoutmon, Earth Shaker, and Hexablaumon. Ooh, that is actually pretty cool. I never had a Hexablaumon before. That's actually pretty sick. I believe the alternate art of that card is like is considerably the most expensive card in the set. I believe, I'm not entirely sure. But anyways, moving on to the second last pack. Howlmon, Tripmon, Floramon, Caramon, Colamon, Supreme Cannon, Piximon, Rosemon, Digimon, Shooting Starmon, Sora and Joe, and Metal Garurumon. So there's that pack. And the final pack for this box. Let's see if we can get something good out of it. Maybe another SR. That would be cool. Probably not, but we'll see. Pilomon, Meramon, Garbagemon, Musayamon, Cutemon, Ultimate Flare, Garurumon, Guiomon, Shademon, Sunamon, Black War Greymon, that's actually pretty cool. And the final card, Araha Sonata. So that's another tamer that's from Digimon Cyber Sleuth. Takumi, Araha, and Nokia are all from Digimon Cyber Sleuth. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. So yeah, that is going to be all of the cards for this box. Like, just look at these two. These are amazing. getting the Omnimon and Armageddon alt arts, I believe. I will have a look at that. But anyways, let me just sort out everything that is unseen currently, and yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, so I decided to clear out the rubbish that I had and open up the other box, and right at the top we have a Nokia Shiramine. That's actually pretty cool. So, getting that. So, yeah. So, let's start off on doing this box, eh? See what we get from this, eh? I'm not going to be doing the commons and whatnot, just the rares, the SRs, and secret rares and whatnot. So, just show the cards and then just, yeah. So we have for our rares, Garurumon Sagittarius mode, and Whistling. So yeah, those are our rares. Alright, moving on. So the rares are Black War Greymon and Rafflegiamon. That's actually pretty cool. Our first SR for this box. So pretty decent, pretty decent. Moving on. I will only say the names of ones I don't remember seeing, so yeah. So we have a Black War Greymon for our rare, and Waru Monzemon for our other rare. So, yep. Right. Giving you guys a chance to actually read the card, the name of the card, so I don't have to worry. The rare is Metal Greymon Ultras mode, and all delete. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Oops, I'll find out two there for a moment. Yep. Wonder what kind of awesome cards I'll get from this, eh? Alright, so moving on. So, Demonic Disaster. I don't think I said this card in the video previously, but here it is. I don't think I've seen Absolute Blast, so here is that, Absolute Blast. So we have Easy and Mimi for our rare, and a Metal Greymon Ultras mode, so yeah, or Ultras mode, or whatever you want to pronounce it as, I don't know. But, moving on. I was expecting these to come in tomorrow for me. But no, they decided to come today. So that's actually pretty cool. For me, that is. So yeah. The rare is Diaboramon. And another Takumi Aiba. That's considerably now my fourth Aiba, actually, because I already previously got one like a while ago. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool to get another Takumi. So yeah. I only say new Digimon names, and if I've already said them, then yeah, don't need to say them again. So we have a Rainamon for our rare, and another Wesleyan. So yeah, pretty decent, pretty decent. Oops. Fix the box up a little bit. Ooh. I think I spoiled it myself a little bit, but that's okay. So, moving on. You're wondering why the background noise is just fan and wind, but that's okay. It is a hot day. So the rare is Araha Sonata, so that's pretty cool. And we have Lord Nightmon. So that is a really decent card, actually. This is technically meant to be Crusadermon, but it's Lord Nightmon instead. So that's actually pretty cool. Lord Nightmon or Crusadermon, if you want to go that name route. So that's actually pretty cool. It's good for the Royal Knights deck, I believe. Omnimon also, I believe, being a Royal Knight. Yes, it is. So, yeah. So, moving on. The rare, I believe, is Sakuyamon. So, yep. And Argomon. So, those are the rares. Moving on to the next pack. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. And that way. So, yep. Oh, I don't think I said Nightmon. I think I did, but I'm not entirely sure. Yokomon, I believe, is a new one for the sayings. Not entirely sure. So we have Harryamon Assistant for the rare. And we have the Omnimon Zwart. Oh, that is sick. Wow. I will admit, that is actually really cool to get. Getting this Omnimon Zwart in this box, and from the previous box, getting this one. So that's actually really cool. So, yeah, that's actually really decent, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, moving on to the next box pack, I mean. I don't have another box with me, I didn't buy 3. would have been cool if I bought 3 boxes, then I would have made made a even better video. Or maybe, like, split this video into 3 parts, I don't know. But, no. Anyways. So, alright guys. So, for our rare we have Earth Shaker. And another Omnimon. That is actually really cool. Another Omnimon. Yeah, I will take that actually. Of course, I will pop these 2 open, but not right now. So, yeah. So, anyways. I'm sorry for the silence, but, like, I don't need to say all their names, you know? It'll take a lot longer than that. Really. So our rare is War Greymon. So not Black War Greymon, just regular War Greymon. And Buakamon. So yeah, pretty decent for the rares. The fact that I get the Omnimons a lot and then immediately get an Omnimon, that's hilarious. Wonder what else I'll get in this box, and excuse me. Okay. Oh boy, I'm gonna have a whole lot of cards on to try and figure out where to put. So we have Hi and Matt for our rare, and another Aratha. So that's actually pretty cool. Another Aratha Sonata. How many do I need? Wow. Alright. I think I am starting to get the cards for an Omnimon deck. I'm not entirely sure, but if I do, then I'll be able to try and build one. So we got another Hi and Matt, and another Hexablaumon. That's the second one of this opening. That's actually pretty cool. Got one out of the first box, why not get another one out of the second box, eh? Pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. Right, moving on. Yeah, it's nice. Buakamon for our rare, and another Armageddon. Huh. Pretty decent, pretty decent. Here's hoping that the other alternate art rare that I get will be different. Or maybe I might get a secret rare, I don't know. Be cool if I got a secret rare from this. So for our rare, we have Catastrophe Cannon and Argomon. Okay, that's actually pretty not bad. That's actually pretty not bad, yes. Words. Get out the other packs of the box here. So there's about 8 there. Why not, right? Let's get them out. Move them out of the way. Yep. Right. So, yeah, there we go. Sorry, a bit tired. You know how it goes. So we have Mega Digimon Fusion and another Omnimon. This one's a little different, actually. This is actually a different one to the Omnimon that I previously pulled. Yeah. That is actually very interesting. Because they're actually done by different, it's actually done by different people. Because, like, up here, it's, this one is, Sasasai, or Sasasi, or whatever the name is. And this one is by, Nakano Hate Her. So, yeah, I actually got 2 different Omnimon artwork, so that's actually pretty cool. Huh. Probably not going to get anything else now. Maybe more more non-art rare, like, SRs, but we'll see. But anyways, moving on to the packs that have not been opened. Oh, this one. Skipping over one. Don't want to do that, hey? So our rare is Megidramon and Metal Garurumon. Cool. So I've got both Omnimons in, like, this box as the alt arts. So that's actually pretty cool. So, yeah. I'm just trying to go as quick as I can. I don't want this video to be long for you guys. But if it ends up going that far, then yeah. So we have Izzy and Mimi and Sakuyamon. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty good, pretty good. The 5th to last pack. Kind of weird that there can be common 11s and whatnot. It's weird seeing. Kind of weird that Z Greymon here is not a rare, but hey, what can you do? So next, so the rare is Metal Greymon Ultras mode, and another Nokia Shrimie. Huh. I like that. That's actually pretty cool. That Nokia is a common rare to get in this box, in this set. So yeah. So our rare is War Greymon and Izzy and Mimi. So, yeah. Yeah, you know, what's funny is they should have called this Grouchmon. Would have made a lot of sense. But no. Ugh, sorry, Sun Yawn came up. But our rare is Black War Growlmon and another Chaos Gallantmon. Because I got one of these in the previous box. So that's pretty decent. So we have 2 packs left. Let's see what we can get out of them, huh? So our rare is another Nokia Sharmine and Mega Digimon Fusion. So, yeah. Right. The final pack. Can we get something good out of this? Let's find out, shall we? I'm going to open it on the screen this time. Like I've always opened up all the rest out off camera, so why not open it, this one, on the screen, huh? Let's see what we get. This time I'll actually do the same. So, Masuyamon, Triceramon, Floramon, Mechanorimon, Vajramon. Yes. Okay. Well, I had a sense of deja vu there for a second. Garuramon, Royal Nuts, Absolute Blast, Buncho Lilymon, a Blazing Storm of Metal. The rare is Harryamon Assistant. Excuse me. And we're going to be ending this video on Shoutmon DX. That is a good card to end on. So, just going to grab all the cards that we have pulled, sort them out into a little recap thing, and yeah. Right, so to recap this awesome opening, we have the Who Omnimon alt arts of different artworks. Like, look at that. Look at this one. And then look at this one. That is like really cool to get, like 2 Omnimon artworks of different ones. So that is really amazing to get. We have the alternate art Omnimon Zwart done by Asmaria. So that is actually really cool to get that version of Omnimon Zwart as well. We have Armageddon, the alternate art Armageddon, done by Homo Hake Kinoshita. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool to get. So those are the alternate arts for this entire box, like opening. The SRs I have are Metal Garurumon, Techimon, so that's actually pretty cool. Who Hexablaumons, so one from each box. Lord Knightmon or Crusadermon, depending on your area. Rafflesiamon, Rafflesimon. I am not entirely sure about it. This is a very pretty card. Shoutmon VX. That's actually pretty cool. Two Chaos Gallantmons, also different from the two boxes. The two Omnimons here, also from the also separated from the different boxes. The Omnimon Zwart. I do have two of these in the Resurgence Booster texture as well, so there's that. And two Armageddonmons, so that's actually pretty cool. So those are the SRs. Now, I have decided to keep some tamers aside, so we have 3 Nokia Shuromines, including the one that I just got from the box topper of the box I just recently opened. 3 Hakumi Ibers, or just Iber if you really want to think about it. 4 Hakumi and Matt Ishida, so that's actually the playset right there for the Omnimon deck. And 3 Aruha Sonata. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this awesome Digimon video. I know it's one of my longest videos I have done of this concept. But anyways, if you've enjoyed, please leave a like. Comment if you want to see more awesome videos such as this. I will try and get more Digimon packs at some point. Maybe some new ones as well. Subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content, including Bakugan. Don't worry, I do have Bakugan videos as well. And yeah, just if you like Omnimon, generally just leave a like. Omnimon is a really good card, good Digimon at that. But anyways, if you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for more awesome videos such as this, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.